Hello and welcome to another video. In this one, I'm going to be talking about the Codey Rocky. So it's a small little robot. Just got my hands on it today, actually, and I'm excited to unbox it with you. So let's just go ahead and let's have a look at the box first and see what it's about. So you can see a young gentleman looks to be on his pad, maybe a tablet of sorts. So we can see that it's available for the PC, a tablet or pad or phone. So that's great. You can see it's got a nice little form factor here. Looks to be some wheels, those sort of things. Uh, Ages 6 and up, but we know that kids learn at different rates, different ages. So someone maybe younger or older than that should be able to get started with it. Have a quick look at the box. We can see that it does some other things. Um, and then so there's lots of possibilities, and there's 10 programmable electronic modules. All right, I'm excited to see what we can get in there. So it says here electronic modules are a light sensor, sound sensors, so different sort of sensors on there. So we can see that there's an IR sensor on the front, gyroscope, accelerometer on this part here, and then we can see there's some pictures down here that we'll be able to explore. So, without further ado, let's get to it. So, we'll get my if I can get my trusty knife. No, I can't. I don't know how to function a knife. There we go. I guess I don't. I guess I don't need the knife. I don't know what's wrong with it. Yep, I don't know. All right, we'll put that in the bloopers, or we'll leave it in. So, let me take that nice plastic off. Nice new robot smell. I don't. It's not really a scratch and sniff. It's a nice box. I like the box already. It's got a couple of magnets on the front here that allows you to sort of open it up, and then let's get into it. So we've got our Codey Rocky, our quick start guide. Couple labels here. Safety instructions. We don't need safety instructions, do we? And then so we've got a few colored squares there. So we'll have a look at those in a few minutes. But right now we've got, so here is our Codey Rocky. So it looked like the two parts here, or there actually is two parts. So we've got the top part and then the wheels. So let's take out the wheels. Oh wow, this is nice. And then what do we got here in this little bag? So we'll just move this off to the side here. We've got Codey Rocky. I guess this is Codey and this is Rocky. No, I don't know. We'll get to that, I guess, in a few minutes. Um, we got our bag here. Again, am I gonna have trouble with opening this? No. Let's see what we got. So we got a nice lanyard by mBot. So this is, I think this is by the same company that did the mBot. I'll put a link in the description below for my my unboxing and my building of the mBot for those that are interested. And so here we are. So we've got a we got USB, micro USB on this one. So again, it will be similar to some of the other robots or programmable devices that are out there. So you can get started with that. And then so let's see what we got on here. We've got a nice little screen. We got 3 buttons, it looks like, A, B, and C. Oh, looks to be a power button. Let's see if we can power it on. If it comes powered. Doesn't seem like it. No, doesn't seem like it. Well, let's just plug it in and see if we can get a little bit of juice out of this. Where do we plug it? Oh, right in the top here. Looks like there's like a couple ears here, so I wonder if those are um, any sort of device. Oh, there we've got the charging light. I don't know if you can see that very well. There you go. So we can see that it's starting to charge. We'll just put that to the side for a second. We'll see we got this one as well. Now this is a lot lighter than this. So I'm assuming, and I think I've read or I've heard before that this is an accessory. So this is the brains behind it, and then this is just an addition. And you can see some nice little connections at the bottom there, and the IR sensor, as we read about already or noticed. So I'll just put this over here, and we'll have a quick look at our guide. So we got the robot. We've got some color things, micro USB data cable, the robot chassis, lanyard, name stickers. So there we can put our naming on there. If you want to give me a suggestion, we can name it. Assemble it. Power on. Please charge for Codey if you cannot start it. So yeah. Okay, so yeah, we've got Codey and we've got Rocky. Are two things here. So that's what we're talking about. So we got Codey and we got Rocky. So let's see if I put it together. Yeah, it slips right in. I think there's some I feel like a little pull as I'm pulling it up here. So there must be some magnets in here that are pulling it onto there. So, which is nice. It's good so that, you know, if you're doing some heavy duty off-roading maybe, you don't have to worry about falling apart. So we can power it on. And then there's step 3 is get the software. That's pretty good. So there's a few different options as I mentioned on the box. We've got the opportunity to download on the App Store for Apple or Google Play Store. So we'll probably explore a little bit in the future on the on my smartphone, which is an Android device, and maybe on my son's tablet. We'll see if that's an option. He's got an Amazon tablet, so we'll see if that works. Also on mBot 5 on the PC, so that's probably where I'll do most of my exploring with it. It also looks like we connect via Bluetooth to do some of these things. So we can connect via Bluetooth to send the signal for over for the phone and the iPads or the tablet, whatever it is. Also, we can do it via cable for on the computer. But the other thing too is that you can do Bluetooth on the computer. And so I have this tablet, Bluetooth dongle, which I'll just do a quick unboxing of it. I don't need to really do another full video of it because it's just a Bluetooth dongle. So you can see there it is. So it's built specially for, and you can see here, make block. So built specially for the Codey Rocky. And actually the mBot, you can see here on the back, we've got Codey Rocky, mBot, and the mBot Ranger. So we can connect to any of those ones that we can explore with. So just put that off to the side for now, and we'll look back at the quick guide. So we can do some programming, we can upload some stuff, and we can share it. So I guess the first thing that we need to do is charge. So that's what we're doing right now. We're still charging away on there. When it's fully charged, we'll see that red light will go green as identified down here. So we'll let that charge for just a couple more seconds here. And then if you want, yeah, there's some directions in there. So let's just take it out of the chassis for now. It looks like the chassis has got, I'm not sure. I see there's some connections here, and I see there's some connections here, but I'm not sure what that's for. I'll have to do some exploring on that one. Oh, this looks to be able to rotate. Okay. Oh, this might be for the the color sensing, IR sensor and those sort of things. Oh, sorry, I was a little bit out of view there. So we've got this on the, so again, here it is. We can see that, but this also rotates. So it probably is where we can then do some line following and that sort of stuff. So let's just take a few seconds here to turn this on. Oh, we've got it turning on. Got the eyes. There we go. As you might have seen, it did had some pictures of like a panda sort of thing. So as you can sort of tell by the colors here, the black and white looks a little bit like a panda. Now I haven't done any programming on this, but let's see if, oh, I don't know if you can hear that. So a little bit of sound there. Oh, another little bit. Let's do that again so you can hear it. And then, oh, yeah, the eyes. Now, there is a gyroscope in here, so I'm wondering if I can do anything to activate that. No, I guess not. Well, that must be for the volume. All right, so that's pretty well it. I guess if I put it on there and press a button, will anything happen? Oh, it just backed up. Let's just move this box. So I'll put it here, press A, see what happens. Oh, cool. So it's just doing different settings on there, so like a little wiggle. Whoa, you scared me there. What if we do A, B together? Same sort of thing as just a single A or single B. Cool. So that's pretty well it that I wanted to show you in terms of just getting started with it, plugging it in, get it started to charge. So we'll make sure it charges overnight so that we can come back and explore later. We'll get into some coding with it and we'll go from there. I'm excited to show this to you, and if you want to learn along with me, be sure to um, like and subscribe below, and check out my other social media platforms as well. Thanks very much for watching, and happy coding.